Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Now, a chat is a tool that you can use to communicate data graphically. Now, let's look at inserting chats. To insert a chat, select the Insert tab. Then from here, click the Chat command. Now, from the left pane, you can select the category that you want, then review the chat from the right pane. Now, I'll select a column, a line chat, then select this one. Then once you've made your selection, click OK. And as you can see, a chart under spreadsheet will appear. Now, the data that appears in the spreadsheet is a placeholder source data that you will replace with your information. So you can enter data in here. Then once you're done, you can click this to close. And then here you have your chart. Now you can edit the chart at any time by coming here, selecting the chart, then clicking edit data. And this will open up again, and then you can move on to editing your data. Now another way to insert a chart is by clicking the chart command in the placeholder. So if I click on this, it will add a chart for me, and from here I can make the selection that I want, then click OK, and again a chart and a spreadsheet will appear. So that's how you insert a chart in PowerPoint. Now let's look at modifying charts with chart tools. Now to change the chart type, first select the chart that you want to change. So I want to change this chart, so I'll select it. Then the design tab will appear. So from here you can select the change chart type command. Here it is, change chart type command. So it will bring you back here. Then you can select, no, currently I have this kind of chart, so I want to change this. So change chart type. Then it's a bar chart. I want it to be a column chart. Then make your selection. Then once you're satisfied, click OK, and your chart type will be changed. The new chart will appear in your slide. Now you can also switch row and column data. To do that, select the chart that you want to modify. So I'll select this, and we have the design tab over here. Now from here, select the edit data command in the data group, then click on so I'll click on edit data, and then this will pop up. Then click the chart again. So click the chart again, then select switch row column command. So I'll click the switch row column command, and the rows and columns will be switched. As you can see, they have been switched. So that's how you switch row and column data. Now you can also change the chart layout. If you want, you can modify the chart layout. So again, select the chart that you want to modify. So I'll select this. Then we have the design tab. It will appear. Now from here, select the quick layout command over here, and then from here select the desired predefined layout from the menu. So I'll go with this one, and the chart will update to reflect the new layout. Now you can also change the chart style. Now what you'll do is select the chart again, then come to the chart style. Under design tab, we have the chart styles group. Click the more drop down arrow, then select the chart style that you want to work with, and the chart will appear in the selected style.